Asan Kotonami, a luxury ryokan in the mountains of Kagawa Prefecture, which is in the island of Shikoku. We are in Type F room. This is room 315. And Type F is the top category room. It's a Japanese Western room with open air bath. So let's see what it's all about. So first, you walk in here. And this is the bathroom or toilet. Okay. And then turn around. We'll go over to the right in a minute, but so this is the Japanese room. Washitsu. And there's a small TV. It's just kind of a place you just sit back and relax. There's a nice deck. Forest beyond. So you come around over here. And this is the Western style room. Western in the sense that there's a actual bed. TV. So this F-type room is a pretty clean. It's Japanese modern style, which is cool. The aesthetic is nice. It's 60 square meters of indoor living space, which isn't much from a top category room perspective. It's comfortable though. But there is one advantage because the outdoor area, deck area, is 35 square meters. And we'll show you why that is. So again, here's a closet area. One sink, which is kind of a minus, but we'll forgive that. There's some toiletries, amenities, robes, towels. There's a shower here. Let's see, it's a rain shower. Actually, there's another shower here. But all is forgiven when you take a look at what's on the deck. Right here. This is a free-flowing kakenagashi Onsen hot springs bath. There you go. You can chill out there. You can hang out on the deck. Of course, it's raining heavily today, so probably won't avail ourselves of that, but this is definitely something we'll be enjoying momentarily. There is a little, you got something over your head, so it's open air, but you won't get rained or snowed on from up above, or pooped on in the case of birds. As you can see, there's a forest beyond. So, Asan Kotonami, the public bath, the Daiokujo, is very nice too. But if you're either too shy to go, or because of COVID, you don't want to be in company of too many people, this is or with your significant other of the opposite gender at least, you'll be able to get in together because the public baths are gender segregated. Anyways, I just checked in the public bath and there was no one there, so we're going to go over and check it out now. And then enjoy this later. Hope you enjoyed.